Daniel chapter 7, and notice verse 24. Actually, yes, verse 24. It says, the 10 horns are 10 kings who shall arise from this kingdom. So what do the 10 horns represent? 10 kings or kingdoms that will arise from this fourth kingdom. So now we see two stages of this fourth beast. First of all, the fourth beast ruling by itself. Then after it rules for a while, we're told that 10 kings or kingdoms will come out of this kingdom. In other words, this kingdom will be divided. And that's exactly what happened to Rome. See, the Roman Empire governed by itself for an extended period of time. From the Old Testament, 168 BC, all the way to 476 AD. But what happened in 476 AD is that the Roman Empire was divided into 10 kingdoms as a result of the barbarian invasions from the northern sector of the empire. And so you have the dragon beast by itself. This is the Roman Empire. Then you have the 10 horns, which represent Rome in a divided state as a result of the barbarian invasions. But now I want you to notice that there's a third stage. Daniel chapter 7 and verses 24 and 25. It says there in verse 24, and another shall rise after them. After which? After the 10. And another shall arise after them. He shall be different from the first ones, and shall subdue 3 kings. He shall speak pompous words against the Most High, shall persecute the saints of the Most High, shall intend to change times and law. Then the saints shall be given into his hand for a time and times and half a time. So we have 3 stages of this fourth beast clearly delineated in Daniel 7 verses 23 through 25. The dragon beast ruling by itself, that's the Roman Empire. The dragon beast with the 10 horns, that's the divided Roman Empire, and it was fully divided in the year 476. And then, among those 10 kingdoms of Western Europe, you have a little horn that arises, and this little horn rules for time, times, and half a time. Now, what does this little horn represent? I'm going to go through these characteristics very fast because I'm going to come to one specific point that I want to dwell on most of the lecture. Let's notice 10 characteristics of this little horn which identifies clearly what it represents. First of all, the little horn rises after the 10 are in place. The 10 are the divisions of Rome, what today is Western Europe, which means that the little horn was going to arise after the year 476 when the Roman Empire was divided, because the little horn rises among the 10 and after the 10.